Let's cook a Filipino food. Hi guys, good evening and welcome to my channel again, Cobb's Mind. And what we're going to do right now is to cook one of the most common Filipino dishes here in the Philippines. And for the subscribers that I have there, thank you, by the way, for staying with me. I really appreciate that, you know. The name of the dish that I'll be cooking is actually the pork Miswa soup. For my subscribers there, if you would like to share this video, that's totally fine. Share it to your friends, share it to everyone in YouTube and also in Facebook. For the one who is watching right now, I need you to stay put because I'm going to share to you the ingredients of such dish. Okay, this is very important that you need to know, because just in case you have a Filipino friend out there and you just need to brag about them, hey, I know how to cook a Filipino dish, I'm going to cook for you, just like that. Okay, so here are the ingredients. So I got the Miswa noodles, or we call Chinese vermicelli. We do have scallions here. These are 1 bulb of garlic mince. I have 2 medium-sized chopped onions. I got pork broth cubes. This is to add flavor because you need to add water into this dish. I have the a half kilo of pork. It is actually a ground pork, and you need black pepper, of course. 2 teaspoons only. I've got salt. I've got oil. You only need like 3 tablespoons of oil, and patis. So those were the ingredients to cook pork miswa. And let's start. In a heated saucepan, 3 tablespoons of oil. There. Once it's heated, you need to put first the minced garlic. When it comes with my style of cooking, what I do here is that I leave the outer covering of the garlic, because this adds flavor. Okay, once it's golden brown, as you can see, you need to add onions. Sauteing the onions will take like for me it's like 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, we're done with that, and then we need to add the pork. The ground pork. Then you need to adjust your heat in medium, so mix it well. And you need to mix it well with the sauteed onions and garlic in order for the flavor to sink in to the pork. And from here, you need to add now the 2 teaspoons of black pepper. There. Oh my god, it smells good. You need to mix it well, and as you can see, there's actually a water coming from the pork, so you need to make sure that that water will go dry. It's actually a scum of pork, so we don't want that. You can remove it, or you can let it dry. So right there, I'm going to let it simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes. You need to cover it. The water is almost dry. We just need to cook the ground pork further because my girlfriend, you know, she loves the ground pork cooked in a way that you can see that it's like golden brown. You need to add salt, 2 pinches of salt, and then mix well. Once done, you need to add a tablespoon of fish sauce. Okay, so once you have achieved golden brown from each side, you need to add the water, 6 to 8 cups or 700 or 800 ml of water. So from here, one, two, 3. The glass that I have right now can hold up until 400 ml. The reason why I add 3, making it 1200 ml, because we need to simmer for like 20 to 25 minutes. So once you're done, add the pork cubes. And just a pinch of black pepper. Okay, mix it well. Cover it. Let it simmer for like 20 to 25 minutes in low heat. 25 minutes is up, so I'm going to, wow, the smell, I like that. So from here on, we're going to add the scallions. Add the scallions. Whoa, I really can smell it. I would like to eat it right now. Okay, just need to mix it well. Once you're done, you need to add the Miswa Miswa noodles or the Chinese vermicelli. So from here, Chinese vermicelli, of course. That's one. That's two. Three. Okay. So from here onwards, you just need to wait for like 5 to 8 minutes because the noodles will absorb the water and it will cook really quick. Cover the saucepan. Let it sit for, let's just say, 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Dinner is served. So that's what we call here in the Philippines miswa soup or pork miswa soup. Very delicious.